So this is an ESU Engineering Edition locomotive. Obviously it uses an ESU sound decoder, and tucked away within those decoders are some features that have been adopted from Lentz. So the first one we're going to talk about is Railcom, and Railcom allows the loco to communicate back to a Railcom enabled system without having to go through a programming track. So I've got the Lentz Set 101 here. Just going to have a quick look. The first thing, to read the manufacturer's ID in the chip, and because it's able to send back information using Railcom, we can see that it's come up with value 151, which is an ESU chip. So traditionally with DCC, instructions are set out to the track and decoders respond to those instructions, but they're unable to talk back to the system. With Railcom they can. So let's quickly have a look at a nice use of that. So we will start up some features. Let's get the loco sound on. Nice smoke generator on it. So the volume control on this loco is on CV63 for the master volume control. There are individual controls as well. So got it on a factory setting of 192. Let me just get it rolling slowly. We'll go back into that volume. What we can do is make adjustments to the volume. So you can bring it down to a level that you're then happy with, or bring it back up again. So I'll take it back up to 192 where it was set. So it's very useful for things that you want to see an immediate effect on. Okay, so we'll have a look at another Lentz feature that's in these decoders, and it's called ABC braking. And what we've got here is a Lentz BM1 ABC braking module. It's a diode matrix, and what it's doing is dropping the voltage on a section of track. So I've isolated that section by basically cutting the rail, but an insulated rail joiner would be best practice. So it means through the diode matrix the track voltage on this rail is lower than the other, and the decoder can respond to that if it's told to. And the way we do that is go into CV27. So 27 controls braking modes. It's got some stuff about braking on DC in the moment which I haven't been using, so we're going to overwrite that and select braking on the right hand rail in the direction of travel, which is a value of 2 from the instructions. So when the loco gets into the braking section, not moving the throttle. Hope I've got a long enough section actually. There we are, we've automatically braked the loco, or broke, yeah, brake. stop the loco. So I'll leave the controller there to show that I'm not touching it. If we bypass the braking module, you do this with a switch circuit. I'm just doing it by jumping the rail. The ABC braking signal's taken off again. So this is nice to do an automated signal stop. The loco will stop according to its acceleration, sounds will keep going. And when you override this module by switching it out, the loco will carry on ahead. So the same switch could be used for switching the signal on that section. The nice thing there is that we can back out of the section as well, so it has a directional component as ABC braking. So there we are, there's a couple of features that are buried within the decoder that they are there. The manual's quite big, so not everyone's going to come across them.